Cooper here, and we're going to take a look at this two examples and how they're the same and how they're different. So first I'm going to look at them and see what's this all about, right? So it looks like we're evaluating an expression. It has some exponents, it has variables in it, which we're going to require a substitution, and they look almost the same. So like, what's the big deal, right? This guy's a parentheses, this guy's in parentheses. Let's find out what happens. What's the difference here? So one of the, I like to think of it, this is the brain twister of this type of problem. It has to do with notation that we use and some of the limitations of it, or it's like some of the things that we had to decide as a group of mathematicians before we started working on them, so that way we'd always get the same answers, no matter if I was doing it, or if Mr. Dan is doing it, or Mrs. Jennifer Kelly's doing it. So here we go. So we have this, the quantity C times D squared. So I'm going to rewrite the problem by substituting first in this 15 times 12 quantity squared. Now, first step is to work inside of the parentheses and do this 15 times 12 first. Well, that is parentheses 100, and let's see, 15 times 10 is 150, 2 times 15 is 30, so that's 180 quantity squared. Okay, so now the next step is, well, 180 squared is like 180 times 180, and that is about 32,400. Okay. Now let's take a look at this little guy over here. He's like his cousin here. They look pretty similar, but they're not exactly the same. So we're gonna first go ahead and use substitution to say this is really like 15 times 12 squared. Now, exponents only operate on the things they're directly touching, and this 2 is touching the 12, but it is not touching this 15 because it's separated by multiplication. So I'm going to do the exponent part first before I multiply. So that is 15 times 12 squared, which is 144. Uh-oh, it looks a little bit different already. And then 15 times 144 is, well, 1,440 plus half of that, which is 2,160. Okay. So this is an interesting thing, that parentheses do make a difference on these types of problems, so we have to be a little bit careful. But I know with a lot of hard work and diligence, you'll be able to master this idea and have a lot of success with it. So good luck, have fun with your problem set for today, and I'll see you in class.